Channel. My name is Vicky. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. To all my subscribers, thank you all so much for supporting me. Thank you for showing me love on this channel. I really love you guys for your support, for your comments, you know, for sharing my videos. Thank you guys. So today I'm back with another video, and this video is all about that weight loss journey. I know it can be really hard to lose weight. It can be so frustrating and it can be so annoying, especially when you want to wear some kind of sexy fitted clothes and you couldn't fit in the clothes, or the clothes looks horrible on you. I know, I've been there, right? So and today I've decided to come share with you guys all my weight loss tips, like everything I use to lose weight. So let's get right into this video. By the way, if you have not subscribed, can you please click that subscribe button? The button will be either here or right here, and also click the notification bell so when I drop a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. So let's get right into this video, guys. So the first tips I will be sharing with you today, my lovelies, is using baking soda with lemon. So you need a glass of water, you need bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, and also you need a lemon. You can either use the other ready-made lemon or fresh lemon. This is how you mix everything together. You add a pinch of baking soda into your water like so, and next you want to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. So you want to squeeze the juice out like that. So here's my tablespoon of lemon juice. So you put that into the water and mix everything together thoroughly. So now I'm gonna take out the lemon seed out of my drink because we don't want to consume that, but because I don't want to dip my finger into the juice while squeezing it out, that's why it's there. So the rest of the lemon seed is settling at the bottom of my glass cup, so that's fine. But please don't take the lemon seed. It's not meant for consumption. You know, when you drink your water, you just leave the seed at the bottom of the cup and you know, get rid of it. So don't drink the lemon seed. So here's my water, and all you need to do now is to drink it. We all know lemon juice has a lot of benefits. Lemon juice is a very good way of improving your metabolism. So now your lemon and baking soda water is ready for consumption to lose your belly fat. And the good thing about this drink is that it will burn your belly fat, your back fat, your arm fat, as well as all the excess fat you have in your body that you want to get rid of. So especially the stubborn fat. So the best way to take this drink is first thing in the morning and at night just before you go to bed, and within a week you will see result by drinking this mixture of lemon juice and baking soda. The second method is green tea and baking soda. We all know green tea has a lot of benefits. Green tea improves your mental health, it improves your brain function, and so all you need is to get a tea bag, just a bag from your green tea, then drop it in your hot water, leave it to diffuse in the hot water, and after about few seconds then go ahead and add a pinch of your baking soda into your green tea, mix it together, take it first thing in the morning and at night. That is another way to lose stubborn fat in your body. The third method is by using baking soda with apple cider vinegar. The reason why I'm not demonstrating this is because I don't want you guys to mix it up by taking everything at once. So I have shown you how to mix your baking soda with your lemon in your water for stubborn fat burning. So which I will be taking that drink before I leave, you know, before I go. So you see me actually drinking it, and I don't want you guys to mix it up by making the three method at the same time and consuming it at the same time. So that is why I'm not demonstrating how to do that. So I will just go through it, explain what to do for you lovely. So the third one is baking soda with apple cider vinegar. So all you need to do is to get a glass of water, add a pinch of baking soda into the water, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix it all together, then drink it in the morning or in the night to lose your belly fat, back fat, and fat, all the stubborn fat you want to get rid of in your body. That will completely get it off. This combination is very low in calories. It suppresses your appetite and also helps you in losing weight by boosting your metabolism. So you guys, that is all I have for you for losing weight. Try method 1, method 2, method 3, but please do not take all the 3 methods at one go. If you try one and you don't like it, move on to the next one. If you try the next one, you don't like it, then move on to the third one. Do not consume everything at a go. So let me go ahead and drink my water, my fat burning water. Another thing I also do to get rid of my belly fat, most especially, is by incorporating this waist belt into my drink. When I take my drink in the night or in the morning, then I'll tie this waist belt around my waist to also generate more heat in that area to help me burn fats so fast. So if you are interested in this waist belt, I will leave the link in the description box below. So here I have my mixture of lemon juice with baking soda in my water for burning unwanted fat. This water is not friendly, so don't expect any sweetness in this water. It's not sweet at all, but it will get the job done. That's all we need. So thank you all so much for watching, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also thumbs this video up if you like it. If you find this video helpful, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and also turn your notification bells whenever I have new video on this channel. You will be the first to know. Thank you all so much. And also follow me on my social media. I am on Instagram and Snapchat at I am Buki Oweye. The link will be in the description box below, and up here is my Instagram and Snapchat name. Also like my Facebook page, Buki Oweye Network, same name as this channel name. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you. Bye bye.